J.
Where's the J?
Yeah.
Touch it. Well, you just told me where it was.
You're great.
Okay, now listen.
Touch the B.
Where's the B?
Yeah.
Well, touch it. There you go. Good job.
Touch the L.
Where's the L? Listen.
Yeah.
Where's the L?
Missing.
Where?
Where?
Where? Oh, sorry. Where is it? Where's the L? L. L.
You're great. Touch the D.
Where's the D?
Awesome.
Very good.
Touch the Q.
Q. Where's the Q?
There.
Right there.
Touch the B.
Where's the B?
There.
Where's the... Very good.
Touch the C.
Where's the C?
There.
No, C. Yeah, very good.
Touch the P.
P? Where's P?
There.
Very good.
Touch the Z.
Z.
Yes.
Very good, buddy.
Touch the L.
Where's the L? You're not listening. Where's the L?
Let's
L.
go.
Where does it go? Where's the L?
There.
We'll touch it.
That's it.
Hold on.
The L.
L. Where's the L? Yeah, that's right. But they weren't asking for that. That said L. L. You're just wanting to listen to the dang here.
Good job.
All right, let's do the next one.
Touch the I.
Where's the I? What's that?
Ah.
Yeah, that's an I.
Touch the F.
F.
You did it.
Good job.
Touch the S.
S. Good job.
Touch the U.
U? Where's U? There you go.